Want to log in into your Macy's credit card account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily log in into your Macy's credit card account. First thing first, head over to Safari. In the address bar, search for Macy's credit card login or sign in. Now simply head over to the very first site. Click on this site. It will land you on the official page of Macy's credit card. In this page, you can see two different options, sign in and create an account. Simply click on sign in right over here. It will land you on this page where you'll be able to log in into your Macy's account. Simply enter the login credentials of your Macy's account. Once you have entered, tap on sign in. Once you have been logged in the home screen itself, you will be able to see the option of activate credit card. After that, enter your credit card number and all the detailed information they ask. After that, click on activate, and then your Macy's credit card will be signed in or activated. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.